Hello, it's Angeline. How are ya? Today I'm gonna show you how to actually stamp and ink on some pattern papers. So first up, I've already stamped and colored this Make It Happen Girl set by Unity, and she's so cool. I love how she is so retro and so unique. And I'm also grabbing the Layers of Life set here, which is from the November 2017 set. And I love this Christmas tree with the musical notes. I'm also grabbing the brand new paper pack here by Unity, which is called Rustic Winter Wishes. So I've already grabbed one of the papers from the pack and I've already cut it to size. And I'm using my Misty stamping tool here to stamp in the background. And I'm grabbing the Memento Lux ink here to stamp on the paper. Once you're done stamping, make sure you let it dry or use your heat tool to dry it up. Then I'm grabbing my Distress ink here and my makeup blending brush to blend in some colors on the paper so that the trees do not look like it's kind of hanging. So I'm using the color Pumice Stone here to just blend in some colors, and I thought I needed some darker shade here, so I am grabbing the Vintage Photo here to add in more depth. This will kind of ground your image to the paper and it adds a unique look as well to your papers rather than just out of the packet. So next I'm just adhering the girl and the sentiment to my card. I thought I needed some snowy drops at the background, so I'm using some Nuvo drop in white here to create some dots. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this really simple technique and hope you try it out. Thanks for watching. Bye!